What's good, people? Back again with another video. Just before I start the video officially, I'd like to say make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. I don't want to be repeating this every video. It gets a bit boring, and I don't want to be that guy chasing likes, comments, shares, and subscribes. But your boy needs the money. Your boy needs the money, man. I need the exposure, but I need the money too, man. So please share this. Let's grow this channel. Let's get 5,000 by January the 1st, 2022, which is very easy to actually do if you want to help me. So if you want to support. If not, then don't. But I will carry a grudge. And shout out all the regular viewers. Let's get into this, man. So another Puma one. I love what Puma's doing this year, and I love the price point. Cheap as anything. People are paying about £300 resale, like $300 you could say. For resale, these will cost you £30, £40, $30, $40, whatever you want to call it. So very cheap. You can buy 10 pairs of these for, you can buy one pair of Jordans. And I know what I'd rather do is buy a bunch of Pumas. Just, stuff that people don't really like or hype. So soft foam plus optimal comfort, says it again there. And then these are the Puma X-Ray 2 square trainers in black. Obviously they do have more colors, but mostly black. Size conversion chart on the bottom of the box, as always. Let's get into this one. Puma tissue paper, we like that. Yes, black. Pumas. So I really like these. As compared to the other model, there's a X-ray light. These are a bit heavier, of course, as the X-ray light is lighter. This does feature what I like, a bit more leather, less mesh. So it's only got really this mesh. That looks like it can be a reflective material. So it's literally only got that mesh there, and then a bit of mesh here, and a bit of mesh up here. Obviously on the back it's got the Puma with the pull tab. A lot of leather, which I really like. This kind of, I don't know what you want to call that, leather like material. It's got a bit of, beige looking material here. Nice leather. This is very nice leather. Well, not very nice, but it's a nice leather. Actually mesh here, and they do feel a bit more premium as compared to the other ones, and I'll speak about that in a different video. Bottom, it's got the Puma sole, it's blacked out, and I like them. I really do. I really like them, man. See, these compared to others, really nice trainers. You can't go wrong with black, and I really like the little hint of red, just a little touch, and a bit of blue. So these will go with, black tracksuits, grey tracksuits, bunch of different tracksuits. Good all-rounder shoe. To be honest, I'm just sick of Jordans and a lot of Nikes that are just major hype. Don't want to be that guy that's into the hype. It's got another type of leather here, actually. Yeah, so a few different types of leathers have been used. So, it's a bit more premium than the other, the light version of these. So yes, I'd rather go for these ones instead of the light ones. The light ones, you could just say, are a really cheap alternative. If I'm honest, I like these. I don't know how they feel or they fit. They do have the optimal comfort, soft plus foam insole, but I want to see how these stack up against the RSX RSX3s, all of those, because I really like those more. Maybe these might be my next favorite, and for the price point, it's really not that bad. So around £40, £50, £30 even, depending if you're lucky, or if you get a little voucher and if you're saving on sale. But yeah, let me know what you think about these people. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And also, tell me if you prefer these over the RSX, all of that. Just tell me which ones your favorite ones are, because I've uploaded so many Pumas, and I do know I have a few regular viewers, so I'd like to know what model you prefer most. So there's a bunch of models. I just want to know what people like more, and maybe I'll do more videos on them. Also, as always, on foot video to follow. I'm gonna put it at the end of this, so after this, and also on another video, just so that it's easy for people to see. Sometimes people don't make it to the end of this and they miss out on seeing the on foot, so we go see. But yeah, take care, people.